Welcome to Episode 2. Every great prompt has 4 pillars: role, context, constraints, output format. Miss one and the model guesses. Pin all 4 and you get the same quality answer every single call. Role tells the model who is writing this. Context anchors what the answer is about. Constraints set the rules of the road. Output format pins the exact shape that comes back. 4 levers, each closes a specific gap. A skeleton you can paste for any coding task. Notice the 4 labeled blocks. Role establishes perspective, context grounds the task, constraints set the rules, output tells the model exactly what to send back. The task variable at the bottom is the only thing that changes per call. Memorize this one. Vague prompts are wishes, structured prompts are specs. The model writes whatever matches the spec it was given. Wrap the skeleton in a function so you reuse it. Now any coding ask goes through the same 4-pillar structure. The output stays consistent across the team. No more snowflake prompts. Next episode, few-shot prompting. When telling isn't enough, show the model exactly what good output looks like.